Hello and welcome to Torque Chasers, welcome back to the same day in another video. Today, as part of the Bilstein video, separate to the Bilstein video, but also as well as installing the Bilstein B16 kit, I haven't said this very well, is we're installing the EBC brake discs, pads and lines to the E36. They're groove discs, they look absolutely sick. Here they are. So this is what we're putting on. Groove discs, I'm very, very excited. So a huge thank you to EBC for the brake hookup. But I'm just going to show you the original brakes. These have become so bad, they wobble under braking. It's very scary. I believe this one's got an ABS sensor out as well, so we're going to sort that out as well. But if you just have a look at the brake, like all this scarring here, all makes for a very poor braking system. So yeah, I'm super chuffed that I'm going to be getting these off. I'm going to have some really sexy brakes. We have fitted the rear already, just because we wanted to make sure it was perfect when we film the fronts going on. So I'm going to show you the rears. They are so good and they look incredible with my new suspension. Take a look at this. How good do they look? So we've got the EBC groove discs, yellow stuff pads. Just so cool. They look insane. I'm so chuffed. Thank you so much, EBC. You absolute legends. So yeah, like I said, rears are on. Suspension's pretty much on as well. Just got to order one more part to get that fitted up, but this video is all about the brakes. So if you're not already part of the Torque Nation, make sure you're subscribed. If you're not following Paddock Motors, then please do. They are such good friends of mine. They have helped me out incredibly with this car. And yeah, it's our little project together. So make sure you're following them. Links will be in the description to their Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, right, let's crack on with this video. So just to give you an idea now of what the difference is between the two, where my old brake disc actually looks like it's grooved because it's broken and dead and old, this one actually is grooved, so that's really cool. Old and new. Thank you, EBC. So part of the new brake setup is EBC's Braided Lines. Really cool silver looking things with little blue and red bits on the end. That's my technical explanation. Why do groove discs and braided lines help with braking?
Well, the grooves in the disc just help to clean the pad, keep the pad clean. disperse the water, especially in obviously wet weather.
Yep.
The idea behind the vent is that it dissipates the heat quicker, so you want to draw the heat away from the wheel bearing as quickly as possible, and that these flutes inside are designed so that the centrifugal force dissipates the heat outwards.
Good word, centrifugal force.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Proud of you for that.
There, yeah.
As you are.
Yes, and the brake hoses just look really pretty.
They do, yeah.
No, they are a lot more durable than a standard rubber hose, and also they don't swell. When you apply the brake pedal, you've got a tremendous amount of pressure that obviously comes down the lines and operates the piston in the caliper.
Right.
And what you find, you can actually watch a standard brake hose and it will just swell up a little bit.
Right, okay.
That tends to give you a spongy feel on the brake pedal.
Yeah.
Whereas a braided line, obviously the braiding stops the hose from swelling when you apply the brake pedal.
Oh, very cool.
So it will give you a much firmer pedal
Feel.
and pedal feel, and obviously just more durable on the road as well.
Cool. Thanks, Mark. Again.
Thank you.
No, thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you more.
Thank you. So that's it for the brake install. The brakes look so good with the wheels on. I'm so happy. They're all fully bled. Groove discs, the yellow stuff pads, braided lines. I'm just so happy. I'm so grateful for EBC, of course, and so grateful for Paddock for fitting them. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Obviously, we're filming this on the same day as the Bilstein, so we've got to get the car down on the floor, set up all the Bilstein suspension and align it and stuff, and then I'll show you that in the other video. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you've subscribed to Tour Nation. Make sure you follow Paddock Performance on Instagram, and thank you again, EBC. Peace out.